Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Welcome everyone for coming to watch my video today. And today I have a review of a product that I bought probably a few months ago. And I've just had the opportunity to try it out to see if I like it. It is a selfie ring light with a cell phone holder by Beeline. I purchased this off of Amazon, and it just came in this box like this. Didn't have any, unless I didn't see it, it didn't have any directions, just came in this little plastic bag. And so let me know what you think about the light. The little sticker, it came from China. It says Beeline cell phone holder with kitchen bathroom black. I don't know why it has kitchen bathroom, but that's what it says. And it's a good size. I might have to unplug it to show you some of it, but quickly I want to show you, it has this big clamp that you just clamp it onto your table. I have it clamped onto my tripod because I'm using my phone to record this. This piece here, which is it's really easy to bend. This is where you put your phone, and I tried it. It does fit my phone, and it rotates a little bit, so that's good. And then here's the light. I'm not gonna shine it in you guys' faces, but you can see about the size of it. And then I'm going to show you some of the switches, which I have had a little bit of issue with the switch. Hold on, I'll show you. But it has an on and off, and I guess a brighter and then you can switch to like a gold to a lighter color. Unless it's not plugged up properly. For some reason I'm having trouble with the switches, so I'm going to turn it off and back on and see if I can get the switches to work. Okay, so hold on for a second and I will be right back. Okay, I unplugged it and plugged it back up, and the on and off button is lit, and one of the looks like a minus button. So I'm going to hit it and see if it comes back on. Let's see if it comes back on. And now I've been holding it a couple seconds, so I don't know why the light is not coming back on. There we go. I guess you have to hold it down for about 5 or 10 seconds, which is weird. And then I'm going to hit this little minus button. Let's see what happens when I do that. Okay, so now that's working, where I wasn't able to get this to work before. I think you have to play around with it. I don't know why you have to unplug it, plug it back up, and all that to get it to work. Let's hit, this is like a S button. Like I said, I don't know what these buttons are for because no directions. So I'm holding this down. It's probably been a few seconds now. I don't see anything that has changed. I don't know if you see anything that's changed. Let me know, because I can't tell. All right. Okay, wait. Is that one you don't? Okay. That's what it is. You hold it down, click. One's a white lights and one's gold. And one's white and gold. So it does 3 things. So I'm finding out a little bit more. And the plus makes it brighter. You can see how that. Okay, you don't hold it down, you just keep clicking. See how bright that is? Okay, so I have it on the gold all the way to the top, I think. Okay, so now that's the white. This thing is burning my eyes. And then I think that's the both gold and white together. So I kind of like this now that I'm learning how to work it. All right, now what's going on? Okay, let's try the minus. Is it? Okay, so it's dimming down. So that's like a little light. Okay, let's see. And that's really bright. You can really see on that one. I like this little thing. I think it works well. And you can't beat it for $20. So instead of investing a lot of money into my videos, I thought I'd just, for less than 50 bucks, try this little selfie ring light and the microphone. So I'm going to get off here, and if you have any questions about this, let me know. And I've been clicking the button here. Now I act like it don't want to work. I want to get it lighter. I think it's too bright. If you have any questions about this, just let me know down below, and I'll try to answer them if I can. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check me out on some of my other videos I'm sure you will enjoy. Talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.